Fantastični uvjeti za rad, teren je stvarno na vrhunskom nivou, ono što smo i tražili, smještaj, blizina terena, teretane, sve što je potrebno za dobru pripremu za iduću polusezonu. Pa dobro, evo, završila je prva prijateljska utakmica, pokazali smo da imamo širok roster, drugo poluvrijeme vidimo i dva nova igrača koje smo doveli ovu zimu, da se dobro uklapaju i da stvarno Olimpija je i prvo i drugo poluvrijeme pokazala da ima dosta širok kadar. Pa evo, igrali smo sa jednim poljskim prvoligašem, pobjeda možda malo onako zvuči da rutinirano, ali dobra predstava, još ova faza priprema gdje su dupli treninzi i tako dalje. Mislim da smo na dobrom putu na čelu sa Viktorom i stručnim stožerom da se spremimo za iduću polusezonu. Pa evo, kažem, već sam rekao njima dvojici, sve najbolje dovedeni su ovdje da bi dodatno jačali konkurenciju. Jurgen je odigrao drugo poluvreme, vidi se da je riječ o igraču koji već ima i europskog iskustva, igrajući Conference ligu u Legiji iz Varšave. Alex isto tako svakako će napredovati i jednostavno mislimo da će biti super rješenje za nas.
Well, my first impression of the game is positive. We are satisfied with the performance of the players. Everything was running like the plan, so we split the team into groups to play today for our first game 45 and 45. We understand and we know that the players now they are heavy legs because of the hard work we are doing, but it was very good test for us. Also this 45 minutes each group has done. We have seen very good things in the both. Also we are happy with Tan and Jürgen first game, good performance. I think they are adapting to the team very, very quick. So also that speaks very good about the quality of environment we have in the dressing room, that all the players, they are welcoming every new player in the best way. So we are also happy for this because it's important. When you bring players in the winter market, the adaptation as soon as possible always is very important to bring their best. Everything positive. We are delighted to come train and work in this level of facility. So I have been asking this for the whole first part of the league there in Slovenia. I hope in some time Slovenian football can also enjoy this kind of level of facilities because it helps for the development of the players. I'm sure that when Slovenia will have these quality pitches, also the football in Slovenia will race higher and faster. No problem. Some issues just for kicks because the players are behaving and the effort during the trainings is top, and many times we have to stop them because in 50-50 balls we have had some scary moments, but we are okay. Good academy players also, they are learning a lot, they are helping us for the trainings, so we are satisfied with them, and for them I think that this is a very, very good experience for them to learn.